Elements Senior Living நல்ல retired life-க்கு first step. வளசரவாக்கம், வண்டலூர், கண்டிகை 3 இடத்துல இருக்கு. Call 78268 78268.
One second. Mr. Please, why are you doing like this? There is a senior person standing. Yes, Mr. Yes. Please,
Just for a minute.
One second. I get the sense of the house. Please.
सर, कल एक आपने महत्वपूर्ण प्रश्न पर ये कहा था
What is the issue?
केरल इशू सर. Kerala of Wayanad, 42 people have died and more are affected, sir. This is a very serious issue.
One second, take your seat. One second. It was indicated to me by Shri Pramod Tiwari that Honorable LOP would also like to speak on this. We have had several members. J.B. Mathur had spoken to me. John Bitas has spoken to me. In detail, Mr. Kiran Rijiju has spoken to me. This is a very painful situation. Several people have lost their lives in a calamity, and state government and the central government are acting in tandem and togetherness. We are distressed by the landslides in parts of Kerala. Yes, you also raised. You also raised. One second.
Please release
our
one
thoughts.
person cross, madam.
One second. Our thoughts in bipartisan matter are with those who have lost their lives, and if they are injured, we wish them speedy recovery. It is a situation where the entire nation has risen to give relief to the people concerned. All agencies, central government, state government, the Prime Minister of the country has spoken to the Chief Minister. He has expressed all help to be given to them. There has been some ex gratia payment already by the central government. I am sure the state government is doing. Mr. Devgoda ji, sir, whole house is with them.
Sir.
No, sorry, I made a mistake. I called leader of the opposition as Shri H.D. Devgoda. So that error is corrected. So Shri Mallikarjun Kharge ji, leader of the opposition. And before you say, sir, the whole house in one voice is with them. The entire country has converged all agencies to help out the people in distress. The Prime Minister, the Chief Minister, everyone is alert and engaged in the activity. Sir,
ठीक है. आप जो मुनासिब समझे वो बोलिए. सर, ये वायनाड के बारे में क्यों हंस रहे भाई? मैं कुछ भी बोलता, सांप भी हंसते हैं और आप भी हंसते हैं क्या?
सर, मन दुखी है मेरा. मैं हंस नहीं रहा हूँ. मैं साफ कहता हूँ, मैं नहीं हंस रहा हूँ. मन दुखी है. सुबह पता लगाया तो कहा कि 2 दर्जन है. फिर पता लगाया नंबर और बढ़ता जा रहा है. और ये बहुत अच्छा लगा कि सभी शक्तियाँ केंद्र की और राज्य की, प्रधानमंत्री और गृह मंत्री और मुख्यमंत्री सबके सब इस मामले में सक्रिय हैं.
ठीक है.
और देश में जहां भी विपदा आती है.
ठीक है साहब, ये देखिए, मैं सर, ये तो मुझे तो पूरी जानकारी वहाँ की नहीं है, और जो पेपर में मैं पढ़ा और वहाँ टेलीफोन से जो मालूमात लिया वही मुझे मालूम है, क्योंकि इतने लोग वहाँ पर मर चुके हैं वो मट्टी के ढेर में. अब तो 50 की गिनती हो गई, लेकिन उससे अंदाज़ा लगता है, क्योंकि ये रात के 2:30 बजे होने से किसी को पता नहीं चला कितने लोग मरे, कितने लोग हैं. और इसके लिए वहाँ की जो महिला है, हमारी MP, उसके पास जानकारी है और वो अपनी बात रखना चाहती है. मैं आपसे विनती करता हूँ कि आप उसको अलाउ कीजिए, और जो चीज़ है, जो बातें आपने यहाँ पर बताया, सरकार अलर्ट है, होम मिनिस्ट्री अलर्ट, फलाना, वो बताएंगे।
फलाना नहीं बताया।
नहीं, उनका सुनने के बाद वो बताएंगे। आप जो हमको इंफॉर्मेशन दे रहे हैं उसके बजाय सरकार वो इंफॉर्मेशन दिए तो ठीक होगा। क्या स्पेशल स्क्वाड वहाँ पर गया है, क्या मिलिट्री गई है, क्या सेंट्रल पुलिस फोर्स गया है, क्या पैसे का इंतजाम हुआ है,
प्रतिपक्ष के नेता,
डॉक्टर्स का
आपका
इंतजाम।
कटाक्ष में पूरा समझ गया हूँ और मैं जानता हूँ कि मुझे क्या इंफॉर्मेशन देना चाहिए। मेहरबानी करके मर्यादित आचरण कीजिए।
नहीं।
आप इतना लाइट कर रहे हो, ये गंभीर मामला है।
यही तो मुश्किल है।
आपको अंदाजा होना चाहिए।
मैं तो ये कह रहा हूँ साहब,
सूर्योदय से पहले
जो
देश का नेतृत्व
जो मालूमात
और
जो
मुख्यमंत्री
इंफॉर्मेशन आपके पास है
नहीं,
वो सरकार हम सबको देना चाहिए।
नहीं,
आप अगर वो रेफर करें,
बैठिए। आप ये कह रहे हैं कि आपके एक सदस्य को बोलने दूं, यही कह रहे हैं ना। All you are saying is
just she will speak.
I have heard it.
Please.
I have heard it. Honorable members, one second. I have understood. बैठिए. बस बैठिए. Please take your. Please, John Bitas, please take your seat. Take your seat. Honorable members, okay. Take your seat. Those of the members. On what point? Are you saying the same thing which Leader of Opposition has said? I am surprised. How irritating it is to me. How irritating it is. Leader of the opposition has already said so. Do you need to supplement the leader of the opposition? Why? He doesn't need supplementation. If the leader of the opposition says something, it is supreme importance. Honorable members, one second. Please, would you please take seat? Would you please take your seat? Honorable members, kindly listen to me carefully. Thank you. I'm grateful. Honorable members, every disaster or a tragic situation anywhere in the country is concern of all of us. And I have indicated that in my chamber, several members of parliament have come. They have indicated their concern. I have also shared with them that it is a case in which, without loss of time, the state government, the central government have put themselves in action. Even before sunrise, dialogue with the Chief Minister has taken place. Everyone is acting. So all we can do at the moment is we express our serious concern. We express our solidarity and condolence with the families who have lost their loved ones. We wish speedy recovery to those who are injured. Beyond that, at the moment, if the honorable members would like to, number one. Number two, one second. No, sorry. No. Everyone would have. Sir, I can't confine tragedy to one state. Mr. You don't have a. One second. Please. No, nothing will go on record, honorable members. Honorable members, please. This is not an occasion. Honorable members, take your seat. First, take your seat. Unless you will hear me, nothing will proceed. Take your seat. Take your seat. Take your seat. Honorable members, take your seat. Number one. One second. Mr. Sanjay Singh. One second. Mr. Sanjay Singh, sit down. One second. Mr. Sanjay Singh, you do not have any member from Aam Aadmi Party from Kerala. That does not mean you are not concerned. You are concerned. Every member of the House is concerned. Every member is concerned. Our country is one. What will you discuss? नहीं, honorable members, what will you discuss? नहीं, what will you discuss? One second. No, sorry. So, one second. Santosh Kumar P, please. What will you discuss? No. What will you discuss? No, sorry. Honorable members, nothing will go on record. Okay, Mr. Kinruji. Go to your seat, go to. Before that, honorable members, one second. Take your seat, all of you take your seat. Honorable members, an issue which is a disaster and has taken painfully many lives. An issue with which since morning, no, right now, all you want to say, express concern. If you wish to do anything else, one second, take your seat, take your seat. One second. John Bittas, 1 second, I am coming to a resolution. Honorable members, the leader of the opposition has converged the demand on one aspect, that one of their members who is drawn from Kerala should be why don't you allow me to speak? Why don't you allow me to speak? You are not listening to me. No, I say, why don't you allow me to speak? One, let me tell you, one thing. Will you take a seat? It will satisfy you. Now, 1 second. No, please, can you take your seat? No, you are experienced. You have been deputy speaker for long. No, nothing will go on record. What is this? Honorable members? No, please. Please take your seat. Nothing will go on record. No, it will not go on record. No, nothing will go on record. I don't expect this kind of disruption from a senior member like you. I don't expect. Please take your seat. Honorable members, leader of the opposition has made only one demand, that their member should be allowed to speak. Before the member came to me, 4 other members had come to me. John Bittas had come to my chamber. Santosh Kumar P had come to my chamber. You had also invited my attention. All I am saying is, at the moment, yes, you also had come. At the moment, all that can be done is, we can express our solidarity. Okay. John, but I'll call the members to be very brief and one by one, and I will give precedence to those who came first in point of time to me. John Bittas.
Thank you very much.
1 minute.
Sir, thank you very much, sir, for your kind indulgence. This is a serious matter, a bipartisan matter. A heavy tragedy has struck Kerala. The death toll has gone up, and we are fearing more deaths, sir. 4 villages have been cut off, and there have been coordinated efforts. The Chief Minister is camping in Wayanad. As you know, Wayanad is a picturesque place, but mountain plateau. So we really want the indulgence of the government of India, especially the help of the ministries like Defense, Home and Finance. Already there are amounts pending in disaster fund.
Thank you.
So we want the military to send their dispatches to Kerala,
please.
the finance to lend their hand to Kerala, and all possible assistance to Kerala be provided.
Thank you,
sir.
Santosh Kumar P.
There are already 50 deaths are confirmed. It is likely to rise up to 300 or 400.
Unfortunate.
So it's so unfortunate.
Painful.
I don't want to talk much on this issue. I would like to request through you, sir, to declare this as a national disaster, number one.
Please.
Number two, to include Kerala in the list of, there is a new scheme announced by the Honorable Finance Minister Bihar, Assam, Himachal and Uttarakhand are part of that. So I would like to request the government to include Kerala in it.
On this incident, please.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir. The only request is to include Kerala.
Please,
This
I got your point.
ecologically fragile place.
Please.
See, Kerala is your land also, sir.
Okay, please.
It's the land of everyone.
Yes, you have made a point. You have
So
made a good point.
compensation to those who have died.
Okay.
These are the three
Yes.
demands.
Go.
Please understand.
Please. Briefly.
Prime Minister of India and everybody, this early morning, they consulted our Chief
Yes.
Minister and everything. We accept and we have got respect. But now the issue is no money with the Kerala government. At least immediately, you have to release some money to move all this one. So,
But please,
Yeah,
one
so-
by one. No.
We also-
I will give you opportunity. Take your seat.
Sir,
Take your seat.
I am from Wayanad constituency and I am leaving now, irrespective of my question hour and all. Now I am leaving for Wayanad. So we are meeting the people. We have to say something
Yes.
from
Josh Kemani.
Minister.
Gravity of the situation. The bodies of more than 25 bodies are found 40 kilometers downstream and a different district in Calicut. So you should understand the gravity of the situation. 500 families are stranded over there and more deaths are reporting every minute. And it is not, can you have 2 minutes to express our grievance? And the government is not ready to listen. We have the first-hand information than people sitting on the tertiary bench. And you
take your seat
should
now. You have made your point.
don't put any political
You have made your
colors
point.
to this.
Please,
And
thank-
please give all
thank you.
assistance
Thank you.
by the central
Thank you.
government to Kerala.
Thank you. JB, then after. JB Matherisam.
Sir, the Wayanad tragedy, the landslide, that devastation cannot be measured at this moment now. It is so vast, it is so devastating that 43 deaths, that's from babies, little babies to the elderlies have passed away, and even families have swept. Families, it's not just one from family, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have news of that. We have
something.
first-hand
Say
information.
something.
So our request is the government should immediately declare this as a national disaster, provide 5,000 crore package immediately. Sir, 1 second,
Yes.
sir. Sir, let me. A bridge has collapsed. A bridge has collapsed. That bridge has to be made now temporary
Please,
bridge to be
take your seat
consulted.
now.
NDRF
Have I
and-
made a mistake in giving you floor?
and helicopter
Take your seat now.
immediately, sir.
Nothing will go on record now, please. Just 2 minutes.
Sir, this is a very painful day for every Kerala, sir. Very painful. See, please consider us. We are praying for the assistance from the union government. Sir, we are
What
praying.
are you saying?
Sir, we are praying. Sir,
Don't make
sir,
a speech.
Sir, just a minute, sir.
Don't make a speech.
Sir, just a minute, sir. Sir,
You are not aware.
sir, just a minute, sir.
Before sunrise,
Sir,
people
sir,
were in action.
Sir, just a minute, sir.
Before sunrise,
sir, the first
Chief
thing,
Minister, Prime
sir,
Minister have been in action.
Sir, rescue
Don't
is
do
the,
this.
Sir,
No, don't do
proper-
this, please.
Sir, just
You
a
are
minute,
not
sir.
aware what is happening.
Yes, just a minute, sir.
No, don't make it political.
Never.
You are not aware what is
Never,
happening.
sir.
I am aware.
Sir, I am
fully aware.
Sir, I am trying to express my feeling, sir. Sir, I am trying to express my feeling. Sir, please, just a minute, sir. Sir, ensure the rescue process. Please ensure proper rescue process and please assist us for the rescue.
Okay.
Proper rescue.
Point well taken. Leader of the House. Leader of the House. No, please. Enough.
Sir.
You associated with, you said so. I can't open the debate like this. It's not a debate. Please. 1 second, sir. Half a minute.
Yeah.
Half a minute.
Yeah. Sir,
Half a minute.
yeah, sir, in Wayanad is very near to my home village, sir. Sir, there, very painful incident was happened. The intervention of the central government and proper assistance from the government is very necessary. So government should ensure the financial assistance and all possible assistance
You have
from
said so.
here to
Please.
the state.
Thank
So
you.
this is my humble
you,
request,
thank
sir. We should
Leader of
stand
the
with the
House.
families.
No. But we can't go. Are we scoring points or are we expressing concern? No. Are we expressing concern or scoring points? Don't do it, please. Yes, Leader of the House. And before that, let me tell you, honorable members, when I came, even before that, I was aware of it. I updated myself, and I found it very gratifying. Once again, I found it very gratifying that Honorable Chief Minister was very active. The Prime Minister was active. The agencies are in coordination. They are doing everything possibly can be done. No time has been lost in this. There is convergence, and therefore leader of the House.
सभापति जी, जैसा कि अभी यहाँ चर्चा शुरू हुई और सभी हमारे माननीय सदस्यों ने एक तरीके से अपनी चिंता व्यक्त की और उन्होंने जो वहाँ घटना घटी है और जो त्रासदी हुई है, जो एक बड़ी त्रासदी है, उसके प्रति उन्होंने कंसर्न शो किया है। मैं एक ही बात कहना चाहता हूँ कि यह जो त्रासदी है, ये सिर्फ केरल की त्रासदी नहीं है, सारा देश इससे द्रवित है। और यहाँ भी हाउस के सभी लोग, इस पक्ष के उस पक्ष के, सभी पार्टियों के, सभी द्रवित हैं और सभी दुखी हैं कि यह घटना घटी है, नेचुरल कैलामिटी है। भारत सरकार भी प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में प्रोएक्टिव होकर के जो भी केरल में राहत कार्य के लिए आवश्यक है वो कर रहे हैं और वो किया जाएगा। मैं सरकार की तरफ से ये एश्योरेंस देता हूं कि जो भी ज़रूरत होगी वो पूरी की जाएगी। हमारी उद्वेलना, हमारा उद्वेलित होना ये स्वाभाविक है, लेकिन यह इस तरह की घटना को एड्रेस करने का एक स्टैंडर्ड प्रोसीजर है। प्रधानमंत्री जी ने मुख्यमंत्री जी केरल से बात की, उनको आश्वासन भी दिया। जो वहाँ पर रिलीफ के लिए जो सेंट्रल जो हमारी एजेंसीज हैं उनके तरफ से जो सपोर्ट जाना चाहिए वो वहाँ पहुँच गई हैं, पहुँचाई जा रही हैं। स्टेट गवर्नमेंट के साथ कोऑर्डिनेशन में काम चल रहा है। अभी इस वक्त जो प्राइमरी ज़रूरत है वो इस बात की है कि बॉडीज़ को निकाला जाए, जो बचने की स्थिति में हैं उनको बचाया जाए, हेल्थ के दृष्टि से हम वहाँ पर काम करें, इमरजेंसी रिस्पांस सिस्टम को हम एक्टिवेट करें, वो सारी चीज़ें की जा रही हैं। और आपकी भावनाओं के साथ हम सब जुड़े हैं, हम सब लोग उसके साथ हैं। और फिर से मैं एक ही बात कहना चाहूँगा कि मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में चलने वाली सरकार प्रोएक्टिव है, प्रो रिस्पॉन्सिव है और उसको हम पूरा करेंगे। मैं ब्रिटास जी की भावनाओं का सम्मान करता हूं, लेकिन हम जिस जगह पर बैठे हैं और आप जिस जगह पर बैठे हैं, सिर्फ उद्वेलित होने से काम नहीं चलता। हमें वी हैव टू ट्रांसलेट इट टू इन एक्शन, and if there is any suggestion that we have to improve something in our action, please do that. We are together, we are not different. हम एक से जैसे हैं। तो इसलिए मैं सरकार की तरफ से हाउस को और हाउस के साथ साथ देश को आश्वस्त करना चाहता हूं कि वहां कोई कमी नहीं छोड़ी जाएगी और उसको पूरा किया जाएगा।
जी किशन रेड्डी जी, एनीथिंग एडिशनल? नहीं, एनीथिंग एडिशनल? नो। जी किशन रेड्डी वांट्स टू डू एनीथिंग एडिशनल?
आदरणीय चेयरमैन सर, जो भारत सरकार की तरफ से
जी किशन रेड्डी जी, आर यू सेइंग एनीथिंग इन एडिशन टू लीडर ऑफ द हाउस?
यस सर। एक आर्मी फोर्सेस ऑलरेडी रीच हो गया, ये बताना चाहता हूँ। ये सारी पार्टीज गवर्नमेंट्स मिलके काम करना है, इसलिए सभी मिलके काम। इसमें एक मैं बताना चाहता हूँ, आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी के आदेश पर अभी लास्ट वीक ही नेशनल लैंडस्लाइड फोरकास्टिंग इंस्टीट्यूट का गठन किया गया, ऐसा इंस्टीट्यूट पर ये भी काम आगे चलकर और पूरे भारत सरकार की ओर से पूरे जैसे।
थैंक यू, थैंक यू। बैठिए। प्लीज कैन यू टेक योर सीट? आई टेल यू, all of us are doing great disservice. This is not the way to score a point. Please.
Sir, honorable members have raised their concern, and leader of the house has already made the position clear. Government will definitely, if the chair directs and if the house agrees, will try to come back with the details of the incident.
Can you take your seat, or you want me to that you should be out of the house? Why are you rising every time? No, please. If you are ready, you may leave. What is this,
sir? So any natural calamity is a serious concern for everyone. And as the Honorable Leader of the House has already mentioned, I just want to make a small clarification because two of the honorable members have said that central government has not released fund. Chidambaram ji is here, he was Home Minister. I handled this ministry for 5 years. Funds are always placed in advance in the beginning of the year with the state government, which is the resources pulled together by the state government and central government under SDRF. So,
please,
what is this?
Mr. John Brittas,
Mr.
John Brittas, Mr. John Brittas, Mr. John Brittas, if you rise any further,
he doesn't know the system.
Then I will have to make observations not palatable.
So
don't do it.
This is not the time to play politics. This is a serious matter.
Okay.
So, sir,
please, 1 second. One second. I am absolutely pained. John Brittas, it is such a solemn occasion. Why? Again, you are interrupting. Why? Don't allow the minister to say something. Listen to him. Then you'll have to hear me also. What I will be saying, please, bear with us. Understand, digest, and then proceed. Honorable Minister.
So, sir, already the Minister of State, the Minister of Minority Affairs, Joseph Kurian, has been sent early morning. George Kurian has been sent by the Prime Minister. He is a minister in the union government and he comes from Kerala. So he has already been sent to Kerala early morning. On top of that, the NDRF, the SDRF, the Disaster Response Force, the Central Armed Police Forces, the Indian military forces, they are already been activated and already on the job, working on the ground, and they are already there. And to connect with them, Indian Air Force has been activated. And for that matter, sir, I would like to inform the Honorable House that Honorable Leader of the House has already mentioned it. Now the issue is about immediate relief and rescue. Sir, in any disaster, the first step is relief and rescue. Then comes the recovery and reconstruction and rehabilitation. So we have to go by step. Right now is the time for rescue and relief. This is the most immediate requirement in any kind of any natural calamities, wherever it occurs. So, sir, my only request is to echo with the sentiments raised by all the members and the Honorable Leader of the House that government is doing everything, whatever is to be done with the coordination with the state government. But I will ask the Home Ministry to come out with a detailed report if the House wants as soon as possible.
And again, ask her to take her seat. Your member, ask her. No, honorable members, only for benefit of everyone and myself also. There is a Disaster Management Act 2005. That act has a very strong mechanism, right from district disaster management, state disaster management, national disaster management. And one of our distinguished members is Jairam Ramesh. While the bill was being taken into consideration in 2005, he made very elaborate submissions. I would urge the members, there is a mechanism in place. Once you activate that mechanism, things automatically move in tandem. And it is a case where even during the night, all who are to act are acting.